Right now I'm in the middle of my village, and how is the view, guys? See, one of the most beautiful places in Northeast India, and we have beautiful ladies from my village. They are very ready, they really appreciate, really beautiful. Say hi. देखा ना तो लप्या mampu latar halo hah slow run này nè. See how clean it was and how beautiful the road is. Guys, look. See your name there. This is my friend Wibonang, and this is Sir Kaidi.
Yes, Macam
Now we are
cemetery from the
we are going to cemetery.
no, from the walking. I'm a walking cemetery from the Tucha village.
And here we have Mzamsi. Come on, no. See, in English we call Sophie Freak. Now we are on the way to cemetery. See, guys, you will never find any plastic. You will not find any plastic in my village. It's very, very clean. And this is my friend's house. See, it's a very, very unique house. Jangbo. See, no one is there. And here is a beautiful, beautiful flowers. Let's go to cemetery, guys. Now we reach cemetery, Tucha Baptist Church Cemetery. This is Tucha Sabuk. This is my village cemetery, guys. This is Marie Shibang, evergreen. Come. Grab her. This is for my grandpa, and this is for my auntie, my father, younger sister, and this is for my grandmother. Memorial stone. See everywhere, everywhere Mazamsi. It's a rest house. You can come and sit here, guys. See, unique, unique red house, rest house. I mean. Kudu, kudu, kudu. This is Mazamsi, guys. Guys, see, most unique fruit. Most unique fruits in Tucha village. We have beautiful river, and this river name called Tengyagu. This is Mazamsi tree. In English we call Sophie fruit. This is a journey to church, guys. See how beautiful, how clean the road was. Now I almost reached the church. This is our church, guys, and we are going to construct new church here upside here. So wait for a moment, guys, and see, guys. This will be our new church compound. It's a very big ground. We're going to construct new church here, and also the memorial stone, how we celebrate golden jubilee, silver jubilee. So wait, guys, see you. This is golden jubilee stone, guys. It's 12 feet high, and here we have silver jubilee stone, and we have another memorial, golden jubilee stone, Women's Society of Women's Society Tucha Church. See, golden jubilee stone, and we have another golden jubilee stone of Youth Society, Tucha Baptist Youth Society golden jubilee stone, and another we have silver jubilee memorial stone of Men's Society, Tucha Baptist Men's Society. This is my village, Tucha village, one of the most cleanest village in Manipur. I mean in Northeast India. See the view, guys, how clean and how fresh. Inside Tucha village, guys. To all the viewers, you can come and enjoy. We have lots of varieties of fruits, I mean. And now I will be going to my uncle's house. See the view, guys. And lot of actresses are here. Lots of beautiful Tucha girls are watching me there, and I will be go up. See you there, guys. Modeler, come, my friend, let's go. And guys, this is my friend house. This is him, see? And this is my uncle house. See? It's old house but still clean and beautiful. Beautiful house here. Now I'm still in my village. I mean in my colony, Holy Land. There is Holy Land colony, full of peace. And we have another house here. Very clean and very unique house. Cherry, cherry lady. See, cherry flower are blooming. And we have another house, my friend Choir Master house. This is Choir Master house of my village. Hello guys, and this is my home, homesick home. And this is second house, I mean. I live here, and this is my colony. It's Holy Land colony, land of peace, peaceful land. I mean, full of joy and laughter. Now I will be moving downward. See you guys. The old chicken, local chicken. This old chicken are mine. I mean. This is my head mystery house. Z Dinta Labo. Here's my huh? Kina mas mai khadi habo. Oh. Oh, tonight pa lên xuống po. Tây nó tung hello po. Tây nó tung hello po. Tây bé nè. Ờ. See guys, how clean and how beautiful my village was. They are all ready to go. So come out, Hombi, and lots of local bananas here. See guys. How beautiful this cow is. Ngầu ye. Đi lô lô. Mà làm cái gì?
Ra cái nào ra, uy ba mi.
À.
Một cái sao này khi nó phải uy ba mi. Đang khẩn lại bạn mới làm đâu.
Yo. Kan đi kìa. Tận nó bò, bóng mươi bóng chứ lô. This is our tar. Saktiman. Saktiman is very, very useful for us. And now I'll be going to Kaladongbi. See you next time, Aram Tucha. Bye for now. This is our pastor home, and now we are ready to go. See guys, how beautiful and how fresh the weather is, and we have rest house here. And I'll show you the village view. And that on the another side, that is Aling San, Aling village. Now this is, and guys, this is our village school. See, it's really very old now. No more student. We need government facility to upgrade our school. This is grown apple, guys. And see, grown apple. This is a good worker, and my auntie. Lanzo Philo. See how beautiful they are. Really beautiful. And it's time. Now it's time to say bye to all my villagers. Those who stay at village, and all this green tree. These are mazamsi tree. And now I'll be going. See you. Bye. Bye bye. Selesai dino.
Sa hai tu ta ra smai tham piam la de. Tanai ka so. Bye bye.
Lah, kilo beautiful itu. Sama macam.
Terus kau nara de nara. Palu ni.
Today he will be my driver. He's our pastor.